OK，11.3填充題。If an object applies a force on an object, if an object can apply a force on another object when they are not in direct contact 冇直接接觸嘅，咁呢個 force 我哋叫佢做乜嘢 force 啊？太淺啦吧，係嘛？ Non-contact force。咁相反啦 ，direct contact 嘅，咁咪就係叫做 contact force。好啦 ，if all the forces acting on the object are balanced, object will stay 乜嘢或者乜嘢咧？嗱，大家要注意喎，有兩個情況喎，一係就 stay 乜嘢，一係就 move in 乜嘢。咁 stay in 乜嘢咧？就應該係即係話佢保持住佢嗰個唔喐嘅狀態啦，一係就 at rest 啦，一係就佢本身係喐緊，而你平衡咗個另外嗰個力咧，佢就繼續保持佢原有嘅喐動 uniform motion 啦，仍然保持佢嗰個單向性，而且係constant speed 嘅嗰個嘅運動嗰個嘅 motion。OK， 好啦，我哋搭咗上邊啦，咁呢個 balance 啊，咁依家就係一個 uniform motion 就係咁。咁如果依家有個 non-uniform motion， 係咪即係將頭先係咪嘅嘢應該相反啊？即係 balance 嘅就變成 unbalance 啊。OK， 如果我哋有 unbalanced force， 咁個 object 就會有一個 non-uniform motion， 即係話一係佢就喐得快咗，一係就喐得慢咗，一係就改變咗佢嘅方向，咁就變成 non-uniform 啦。OK，5。When of object show all the forces acting on the object， 乜嘢嘅嘢東西可以幫我哋顯示得晒嗰啲 forces 咧？嗰個叫做 free body diagram。OK，next。If two forces of the same size in opposite direction act on the object, the forces are balanced。係唔係呢？同樣嘅力，相反嘅方向，係咪就可以令到佢抵消咗 balance 咗呢？係嘅，係嘅。二 The force increases the mass， 咁頭先已經講過啦，呢個大錯特錯㗎啦，唔會改變個 mass 嘅。OK，does not change 嘅。好 ，gravity is a contact force， 地心吸力或者引力係咪一個 contact force 嚟㗎？咁梗係唔係啦。譬如地心吸力咁冇接觸㗎嘛，咁 gravity 都係就係係咯，都唔係 contact 嚟嘅喎。OK。When the force acting on the object are balanced and is already moving， 嗱本身喐緊，咁你另外俾個 force balance 咗啦，咁佢係咪會用保持原有嘅速度去，同埋原有嘅速度同埋原有嘅方向去繼續移動呢？絕對係啦。咁呢個呢，就係大家有好多時會容易搞錯嘅地方啦。啲 force 係 balance 咗嘅，但係佢本身已經喐緊，咁即係話你後加嘅嘢就唔會影響佢原有嘅速度，亦都唔會影響原有嘅方向啦。OK， 咁我哋應該都會講多少少嘅。好啦，第一題 multiple choice，which of the following involves the action of contact force？ 咁 contact force 即係有冇 direct contact 啊？應該係冇，有啦，因為 contact force 啊嘛，有接觸到嘅。咁呢度睇睇啦喎 ，A magnet 即係磁力吸起咗嗰啲萬字夾，咁啊應該唔係啦，因為都冇接觸。好啦 ，B 風吹起嗰啲即係 blow 嗰啲吹嗰啲樹上面嘅葉啦，有冇 direct contact 啊？你以為冇咧？嗱，答案就係佢啦。B 點解啊？因為其實你睇唔到啫，風其實就係空氣嘅移動 ，movement of air particles 係咪？咁其實嗰啲葉就係俾嗰啲粒子去碰撞，所以其實有 direct contact。好 C 個月球圍住地球轉，咁呢個都係引力 gravity 啦，所以都係冇 contact force 嘅。咁一個波因為地心吸力吸去個地下都係冇 contact 嘅。好啦，第二題啦，嗱第二題深少少啊，大家要注意啦，咁所以應該要寫啲 notes 喺度啦。 佢就話邊個係 balanced forces 即係正確嘅嘢咧？咁我哋首先諗一諗呢度先。嗱，情況一就係本身一個物件係 at rest 冇喐緊嘅。如果我俾一啲力，而嗰啲力係 balance 咗嘅，咁嗰個物件會點啊？咁嗰個物件咪應該 remains the same 咯。無論佢係方向或者係個速度都係 remains the same 啦。唔知即係佢本身係停嘅，咁所以都 remains the same，即係停咗喺度。但係如果有一個 not balance 咧，咁佢個 speed 或者 direction 就會 change 啦。OK， 咁呢個就 not balance 嘅情況啦。好啦，咁 scenario one 啦 ，scenario two 啦。如果佢本身已經喐緊嚇，咁如果有一個 balance 咗嘅 force，即係又拉左又拉右，但係佢本身喐緊喎，其實都係 remain the same 嘅。嗱，remain the same 唔係即係話保持唔喐嘅喎，而係佢之前係點就繼續係點。佢之前已經喐緊㗎啦，喐緊向左。咁你有兩個 force balance 嘅 force 擺落去，佢都會繼續維持一樣，繼續向住左咁走。咁呢個咧當然係對應住呢個 moving 㗎啦。OK， 咁而上邊呢個就對應住呢個 at rest 啦。好，咁如果有 not balance 嘅 force 係點算啦？咁即係話佢本身喐緊，咁睇下你個 force 向邊個方向咯。咁佢可能就會都係一樣啦 ，speed 或者個 direction 未啦，可能啦，會改變啦，因為依家本身已經喐緊啦嘛，所以未啦，未 change 啦。咁佢可以喐得快咗，或者慢咗，甚至整停佢等等都得嘅喎。OK， 嗱，咁我哋有住呢個好重要嘅觀念咧，我哋去睇啦。If an object stays at rest，佢本身停嘅，唔喐嘅。Force acting on it must be balanced， 係咪咧？即係佢停咗喺度嘅話，即係佢唔喐嘅話咧，本身嗰個力就應該係平衡咗嘅 ，must be。咁啱唔啱啊？呢個如果根據我哋頭先所講嘅內容咧，就應該係啱啦。佢已經即係嗱，要諗翻清楚個次序喎。佢依家唔喐，即係應該所有 force 係 balance 咗先至可以唔喐嘅。如果有一個唔 balance force，佢應該就已經喐咗啦，係咪？咁所以呢個情況咧就應該係 true 嘅 ，true。第二 ，if the forces acting on object are balanced，the object must stay at rest。嗱，好似將上面嘅句子反轉咁講啫，但係個意思真係有好唔同嘅分別喎。反轉講唔等於上面 true 下邊都一定 true。如果個力係 balance 咗，咁個 object 係咪一定停喺度？唔係咯，就係 scenario two 啦。你個 force 係 balance 咗，佢可以保持住之前嗰個狀況。咁佢之前狀況唔一定係 at rest 噶嘛，佢之前個狀況已經喐緊啦嘛，咁所以呢個就會係一個 force 啦。而第三 ，if an object is moving， 佢喐緊，the force acting on it must not be balanced， 即係佢喐緊嘅話咧，俾落去嗰啲嘅力，再俾落去嘅力咧就唔即係一定唔 balance 噶啦。咁梗係唔係啦，都係 force 啦。佢本身喐緊，可能係在之前嘅事情啦，已經係佢原本喐緊嘅事情。但係你再俾 force 佢，你嗰兩個 force 可以係 balance 㗎，即係呢個情況。但係佢仍然 move 㗎嘛，咁所以咪 F 咯。嗱，呢個深少少，如果唔明嘅咧，你再同學仔問一問我嚇。所以呢個答案咧應該就係 A 啦。A 好。咁呢度問邊個 forces 係 unbalanced 嘅，咁你就睇下邊個係相反方向得嚟又唔同大細嘅咧，就應該係 unbalanced 啦。咁呢個應該就要揀啦。unbalanced 啦，呢個係。咁呢個相同大細 size same，the force size are the same， 但係相反方向，咁所以都係，所以呢個係 balance 嘅。而呢個又有大細唔同方向，咁所以佢都係 unbalanced 啦。咁所以答案就會係 C。 Next， 好，呢度又自己睇啦。咁好，呢度啦。嗱，今次呢個圖同頭先上之前嘅 section exercise 唔同喎，佢叫做 draw free body diagram。咁就應該將所有嘅力都畫晒上去啦。咁一隻雀仔單腳企one leg 單腳企。咁首先要諗一諗啦，我哋又要鉛筆間尺。咁首先呢，佢就有一個咩 force 呢？就係一個 gravity。咁我哋譬如雀仔嘅中間開始，就有一個叫 gravity， 唔係淨係一個力㗎。第一個係 force of gravity， 一個地球嘅引力叫做地心吸力。而另外，除咗地心吸力，咁佢企得喺度唔喐喎，隻雀仔 balance 咗個 force， 佢本身唔喐啊嘛 ，standing on one leg 喎。OK， 一隻腳啫，嗱兩隻腳又要兩個前進，就應該有另外一個 force， 就係嗰個佢踩住嗰個叫做咩啊？哎呀，佢踩住嗰個嘅應該欄杆啦，我估就應該係向上啦。嗱，呢度咧我畫得唔好啊，我想擦一擦咗佢。點解咧？因為個大細要一樣，得唔得？個大細要一樣，咁所以我畫得唔好。我想畫翻佢一樣先，一樣嘅長度。好，咁就差唔多啦。咁依度咧就應該係嗱一樣㗎嚇，一樣㗎，一比一㗎，得唔得？好啦，寫翻 label 翻先。咁呢個咧就係一個咩力啊？嗰個欄杆 support 住佢啦 ，supporting force by 假設佢唔好欄杆啊，地下算啦，即係個地面啊 ，ground 啊 ，OK， 一樣嘅 size， 但係 opposite direction 啦，唔同即係相反方向啦。好，第二個情況 briefcase held by a hand， 咁都係啦，可以由地心吸力開始啦。咁地心吸力咧又係鉛筆間尺啦。地心吸力咧就應該由中間即係向下咁樣啦。咁呢個係咩 force 啊？又係 force of gravity。相反地，應該有個力就係佢拎住個手提包，咁拎住就應該依度拎啦。咁應該就差唔多長度嘅都係，應該要一樣嘅嚴格嚟講。咁你自己用間尺度一度。咁呢個 force 咧就係 holding force。OK， 咁呢兩個又係一比一嘅嘞喎。否則咧個手提包就會向下跌緊，或者向上升緊㗎啦，即係或者你拎上去嘅啦，你拉佢上去啦。OK， 記住唔筆間尺啊。All right, structure question. Two bar magnets are placed on a bench with opposite pole facing each other。同性相佢異性相吸啦，應該就會吸埋一齊啦，係咪？Draw a pair of attractive forces acting on each other。咁應該就要畫圖嘅話咧，就應該要有兩個力，一個向住依邊，另一個向住依邊啦，得唔得？好，又係一比一嘅，相反方向。咁畫完咯喎，咁 state the type of forces drawn in A， 嗰兩個叫咩 force 啊？ magnetic force 咯，磁力咯。再問佢呢隻係 contact force 定 non-contact force 啊？都冇接觸，梗係 non-contact force 啦。Next， 好啦，嗱，呢個咧就複雜啲啦。你日日即係啲中意打機嘅同學成日都撳住個 mouse 係咪？其實呢度複雜啲嘅。咁我哋首先咧，其實佢呢度咧，我哋搭咗最尾呢條先嘅 complete the free body diagram of the mouse。咁畫咗就會容易睇啲啦。咁我哋咧就要畫，咁首先又係一個力啦，鉛筆間尺啦。首先就有地心吸力啦，喺張台上面嘅嚇嗱，依家 horizontal table 啊。首先就由依度 force of gravity，OK，好啦，第二個 force 就係你撳掣嗰個力啦。咁假設撳掣個力細啲啦嚇，咁就係你嘅 pressing force。好啦，相反喎，你兩個力向晒下噶嘛，咁你有嘢頂住個 mouse，你先可以發到依兩道力，而個 mouse 繼續 sitting still 保持喺嗰張台上面啦。所以就有一個力咧，就係要畫長啲啦，就依兩條加埋佢咁長啦，應該就係大概咁多度啦。咁應該就加埋嘅長度嚟嘅。咁依個咧，我哋就話同頭先一樣啦 ，supporting force by the 應該擺張台度嘛 ，horizontal table 擺張台度啦。所以有三個 force， 依兩個加埋就等於上邊呢個啦。OK， 互相抵消咗，所以佢 sitting still 保持唔喐啦喺個台度。好啦，三個力就係依三個啦。Which of the above forces 啊 contact force？contact force 有接觸嘅，咁地心吸力有冇接觸啊？冇。撳掣有冇接觸啊？有。張台頂住佢上嚟，咁啊梗係有啦。所以答案就應該係有兩個啦，因為亦都係2分啦。The pressing force and the supporting force 2分。好啦，咁請問呢啲 forces acting on the mouse 係咪 balance 咗㗎？冇錯，本身個 mouse 係 sitting still，apply 完呢個三個力，佢仍然係 sitting still，所以係 balance 嘅。OK， 同埋佢唔 balance 根本就應該係喐緊㗎啦。佢如果 sitting at rest 就擺明係 balance 咗，得唔得？唔喐就一定係 balance 咗，但係 balance 咗唔一定 at rest， 佢係要跟照頭本身佢原定喐緊定係 sitting still 去講嘅，記住咯噃。好啦 ，which of the forces has a greater size？ 咁睇頭先大家我哋畫嘅時候都已經專登注意咗啦，應該就係嗰個 supporting force 啊。嗰個 force 包括咗抵抗咗地心吸力啦，亦都抵抗咗你撳 mouse 個力啦，向上嗰個 supporting force。好啦，撳掣嗰個力咧就5個 Newton， 咁 gravity 就3.5個 Newton。OK， 咁 what's the size of the supporting force？ 咁應該就係兩個加埋啦，因為要抵消咗呢兩個力啊嘛。咁就係2分，要 calculate 啦。咁應該就係5加3.5等於8.5 Newton 啦。OK， 咁注意喎，2分嘅喎，1分、2分。OK，咁 that's all for section 11.3。